We'll guide you through how to analyze Vercel speed insights. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and log into your Vercel account. Once you're on the Vercel dashboard, select the project you want to analyze. You'll find this under the Projects tab on the left-hand side. Click on your project to open it. Next, look for the Analytics tab at the top of the project page and click on it. This is where you'll find Vercel Speed Insights. The Analytics page will show you a variety of metrics, including performance, SEO, and accessibility scores for your website. Pay special attention to the Performance section, as this is where you can see how quickly your site loads and performs. To get more detailed insights, click on View Details under the Performance score. This will open a new panel with more specific metrics like First Contentful Paint, Largest Contentful Paint, and Total Blocking Time. These metrics help you understand how your site is performing in real-world conditions. If any metrics are highlighted in red or orange, they need your attention. You can hover over each metric to get more information about what it means and how you can improve it. Vercel also provides suggestions on how to enhance your site's performance, so be sure to check those out. If you make changes to your website based on these insights, you can come back and rerun the analysis to see if your scores have improved. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.